welcome back to our channel. Today the automotive world is buzzing with excitement over the BYD Seagull 2025, an electric hatchback poised to redefine affordable EVs. With its compact size, futuristic design, and game-changing technology, the Seagull is set to become a game-changer in the electric vehicle market. In this article, we'll explore the standout features, performance, and potential market impact of the BYD Seagull. The BYD Seagull 2025 boasts a modern and sporty design that perfectly complements urban lifestyles. Key highlights include compact dimensions, ideal for city driving and tight parking spaces. Aerodynamic styling, smooth curves and sharp edges enhance performance and energy efficiency. LED lighting, sleek headlights and taillights add a premium touch. The Seagull's design makes it an appealing option for first-time EV buyers and those looking for a practical, stylish vehicle. Interior. The interior of the Seagull is both functional and surprisingly spacious for a hatchback. Digital dashboard, a high-tech interface, provides real-time updates on battery life, range, and more. Smart infotainment system, equipped with a touchscreen display and voice controls. Ergonomic seats, comfortable and adjustable seating for a pleasant driving experience. BYD has ensured that the Seagull's interior rivals those of more expensive models. The Seagull's performance is where it truly shines. It offers efficient electric motor, provides smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Impressive range, a driving range of up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. Fast charging, capable of charging up to 80% in under 30 minutes. This combination of performance and efficiency makes the Seagull an excellent choice for daily commutes and weekend getaways. One of the Seagull's biggest selling points is its price. Expected to be priced around a superscript 110 lakh in India, it offers exceptional value compared to other EVs in the market. BYD aims to make electric vehicles accessible to a broader audience, and the Seagull's competitive pricing reflects this goal. The BYD Seagull is expected to attract eco-conscious drivers, those seeking a sustainable mode of transportation. Urban commuters, people looking for a reliable and cost-effective vehicle for city driving. First-time EV buyers, individuals entering the EV market for the first time. With its blend of affordability, range, and modern features, the Seagull is likely to disrupt the entry-level EV segment. The BYD Seagull 2025 represents a significant step forward in making electric vehicles accessible to the masses. Its affordable price, impressive range, and sleek design make it a compelling option for anyone considering an EV. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to electric vehicles, the BYD Seagull offers a perfect blend of style, performance, and value. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as the Seagull hits the market. If you're considering making the switch to an EV, the BYD Seagull might just be the car for you. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, reviews, and everything you need to know about electric vehicles. Don't forget to like and share this article with fellow EV enthusiasts.